Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So we are here in the same vehicle that I had checked earlier. This is the Holden Astra. So lately I had made a video regarding troubleshooting for that mass airflow sensor fault. So that P0100 fault code, mass volume airflow circuit. So I had diagnosed that one, guys. I had ordered the parts, so that will be separate video. So right now we are going to concentrate in P0443. It says is fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit. So right now I'm going to use my outer scan tools because I need to find out whether I can bi-directional control the poured solenoid valve. That is fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit. So I'm going to fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit. I'm going to check, guys, whether so on my first scan tools, same fault code 0443, but the description is fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit. On my other scan tools, guys, on Foxwell, same fault code, but the description is a ports valve solenoid. So they have different description right now, guys, and I will try to find out which one is really faulty, because right now I'm a little bit confused because the two scan tools have this different description, guys, to the fault. Same fault code P0443-4 on this outel, which is ventilation solenoid open circuit, but on the other one is ports valve. So I think I will try to reconnect the other one and find out whether the fault could change. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do right now, guys, before I hook up again the other scan tools, I will try to use the standard OBD2 scan feature of this scan tools. Let's check whether it will have the same fault code compared to this Foxwell scan tools of mine. So this one is different fault description that it gives. So I don't know what's really going on, guys, but if you're a mechanic, you will encounter this kind of problem, guys. Okay, come here at diagnostic trouble code. So right now, guys, see, the on OBD2 it says here P0443 pending evaporative system ports control valve circuit. So right now the standard diagnostic features of this scan tool matches on this Foxwell scan tools. So if you're going to use the standard OBD2 one, the generic one, it will give you this kind of code, guys. So purge evaporative emission system purge control valve. So remember, guys, what we seen is evaporated emission system purge control valve and 0443. Now we will go to the enhanced diagnostic capability of these consoles. So remember is that it says purge control valve, but if we go to enhance, we go to Holden, let's go Asia, no, it's Holden 2000 this one 1999, yep, this one 2000 Astra G diagnosis transmission chassis body engine control module. No, I don't want to go here, guys. So this scan tools has so many way of reading the computer of this vehicle. So let's go here, bin, auto select. So I'm going to post this one, guys, so we can save some memory on our camera. Okay, guys, I go back to the parameters of the enhanced capability of these consoles, enhanced diagnostic features. So in this scenario, it's a little bit confusing, guys, because as I show you in the OBD features of the scan tools, it says there that 0443 that is fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit on these scan tools. So if we go to the standard OBD2, the standard OBD2 is showing up that there is something wrong with the purge valve. So it's hard to make a decision which one is faulty, because they telling lies to me right now, guys. I don't know who's telling the truth, because purge valve and vent valve are two separate components, guys. The purge valve, guys, the function of the purge valve is to open the way of the evaporative emission going to the intake manifold, so the engine can suck the evaporative emission. But the vent valve, the function of the vent valve is to let fresh air go inside the fuel tank. So right now, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to do more research and diagnosing on this vehicle and find which one is really faulty, whether the vent valve, the ventilation valve, or the purge valve. Okay, guys, I have found one valve here that is related to evaporative emission control. As far as I know, this valve is our purge valve, because the other end of the hose is going to the carburetor, guys. It go to the carburetor, and the other one goes inside the panel So it goes there into the panel, it goes down there, and there's another, it goes down here inside there, it goes there inside, then there's another pipe come out. You can see this one, the block one, go here, go there, and goes down there. I think that goes to the fuel tank. So wherever is the location of the bent bulb, I don't know where's the location, guys. So what I did is I pulled the socket of this solenoid, and I re-scanned the vehicle, and same fault come out, no additional fault that registered on the system. So I'm expecting that this fuel tank ventilation solenoid open circuit is this thing, because if I pull this one, no additional fault code is registered on the system. So internally there must be something wrong in this bulb, and right now I cannot see any other bulb attached on the block or in the body. I had searched, guys, I cannot find any additional bulb related to the evaporative emission control, guys. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Or unless there is something located under the vehicle. But as far as I know, if you pull this one, a fault should be registered in the system, but nothing is registered. No additional fault is registered in the system when I pull this socket. So possibly the fault that the scantles are seeing is this one. That's why there's no fault, additional fault is registered on the scantles every time I pull this solenoid, because this one is controlled by the ECM. So there's two wires there. The other one is positive. I checked that one with the test light, guys. I ground that one. I ground this the test light. There is positive, and the negative is controlled by the ECM. So it could be the ECM possibly controlling this bulb using the pulse width modulation. So it might control the opening of this bulb through pulse width modulation. So I will do some more research on this one and find out what's the design of the evaporative emission control. So right now it's hard to find the diagram. I searched the internet, I cannot find one. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, see our test light is on. It's attached on the one of the terminal of the socket of the bulb. So as far as I know, that is the porch bulb. So okay, guys, this is the wiring diagram of this vehicle, which is Holden Astra year 2000 year model, guys. As you can see, guys, in the bottom, guys, there is a highlighted component. That the one on the right, guys, that is the Y104. That is our porch bulb for the evaporative emission control. That is the only that's the only solenoid bulb related to the evaporative emission control. There is no other solenoid valve. So in the component description, guys, let me turn the page. So that is the description, guys. Y104 evaporative emission canister force valve. So if you're going to read the list of the component, there is only one solenoid that is related to the evaporative emission control of the vehicle. Okay guys, so the conclusion of this case study, guys, is related to our case study of P0100, which is the mass airflow sensor, guys. So if you're going to watch that video, guys, the conclusion of that video is we have a faulty ECM. So that faulty ECM also caused this P0443 fault, which is the open circuit evaporative emission purge valve. So if you follow that, watch that video, guys, I had torn apart the ECM and I show you the condition of the ECM. The problem of the ECM is there is an open circuit on the band wire. The band wire is the wire that connect the printed circuit board and the socket of the engine harness. So there is a wire there that join the PCB and the socket for the engine ECM. So that is the weakness of this vehicle, guys. This Holden Astra, which is also Opel Astra in Europe, have very well known when it comes to ECM failure, guys. So what I did to trace determine that the ECM is faulty is, what I did is I checked the harness, guys. There is no open circuit, no open circuit in the wiring harness. Then I supply power and ground on the purge valve itself, and the purge valve is working fine. So that's how I found out that the ECM is faulty, because the harness is good, the component is good, so the ECM must be faulty. So if you encounter this kind of problem in Holden Astra or Opel Astra, suspect that there's a problem with the ECM. If you have an open circuit issue, guys, usually what you do is you check the harness, you check the component, and if there is no problem with the engine, with the engine harness, and there is no problem with the component, so it must be the ECM that has the problem. So open circuit can happen on the wiring harness, in the component, internal failure in the component, or internal failure inside the ECM. So in my case, in this case study, guys, the fault is inside the ECM. So if you watch in the early part of the video, there are two faults listed on the scan tools, which is the P0100, which is the mass airflow sensor, and the other one is P0443, which is open circuit evaporative emission purge valve. So in this case, guys, both problem get solved when I replace the ECM. So you can watch on part 3 of the Holden Astra year 2000 uh, mass airflow sensor P0100 case study. So that will be on part 3, guys. So when I replace the ECM, it fixed the problem. But there was 3 issue that I need to uh, fix, guys, which is the radiator fan. Because I use the ECM, guys, and the software which is programmed on the uh, ECM is for vehicle that have I think three radiator fan, which is not present to our vehicle. Our vehicle only have 2 fan, 1 relay, but the ECM where I purchase in online, it's looking for 3 relay. So I'm trying to solve that problem now, guys. So my option is to program the ECM into proper software by extracting the information on the old ECM, then transfer it to the new ECM. So I'm just trying to find out whether my think car pros scan tools will do it, guys. So there will be a next video. I'm going to do another video about the my brand new scan tools. This will be some kind of unboxing the and reviewing the Tinker Pros scan tools. So wait for that video, guys. So that's the outcome of this case study, guys. The fault is the ECM. So this is related to the other video that I had done, which is P0100 case study, which is the mass airflow sensor Holden Astra year 2000. So you can find that on my video. So if you want to watch my old video, guys, what I had done, which I had done on the past, guys, all you have to do is go to my channel, guys, press the profile logo or picture of my channel. Once you press that one, it will show up my old videos, all my videos that I had done. Then press the upload video, because the first video that will show is some kind of limited number. But if you press the upload word on the left hand side top of the screen of my channel, if you press that upload video, all the video on the previous years that I have done, even the one on the past, everything will be shown in that page, and you're going to find that video that is related to this video, guys. Okay, guys, let's end up this video, guys. Watch out for that video, guys, that review for my new scan tools, guys. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow, hopefully, if not busy. So see you in the next video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button, please press the like button, and please press the notification bell, so you will be notified every time I do a video, guys. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.